Shenseea gave her Shenyang the opportunity to ask her a couple questions, and she replied to some of them in text format and a few in video, right? So like this one right here that I picked out, it says, if music didn't work out for you, what would your second option be? And she replied to it and said, let's just say I would probably be in jail. God save me, music saved me. She also replied to a question about her father, pregnancy, and if she want to get pregnant again. So all that coming up right after the intro.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, before we get into a Shenseea answer or Shenyang them, I want to send a happy birthday shout out to former Team Spice dancer, Pretty. So big up Pretty on her birthday, right? And if you follow her up on Instagram and you never know say her birthday, you can go over a page key or a one shout out. You see what me and say, or you can just drop it down in the comment section here. So, but people, like I was saying now, you know, Shenseea give her Shenyang a chance to ask her some questions. Some of them ask for advice from her, and some of them just ask about her herself. But all of the questions them I have shown today, it's about Shenseea. It's not about a fan asking any kind of advice or anything like that, right? So the first one I go show, she replied to it in a video. So this question is, how did she find out she pregnant with Raj? And this is what she said.
I was happy. 19 years old, and I was happy. Don't be like me, guys. Don't be like me. Our luck probably won't be the same. But I was happy and nervous at the same time.
So maybe she more answer to the second part of the question, which was, and what was your reaction, right? Because she has said she happy when she find out. She never actually tell the moment when she find out, so she pregnant with Raj. But she also put a text on the video and she said, the love for my son is unmatched and unexplainable. I've been loved that kid even when I was broke. And nobody can question that. We know Shenseea love Raj unconditionally, for real. You see me? So let's move on to another question. So since she already talked about Raj and pregnancy, let's do this one where somebody asks her, pregnant soon, question mark, just plain and straight like that, and she respond to that and say, kiss my teeth, as much as I love my unhatched eggs, fuck that right now. A nigga gonna have to bring heaven down on me to knock me up. Sorry me I feel good it raw like how she said, but that's what she said, okay? Well, the next question, I did say every question I gonna be about Shenseea, but in a way it's kind of about Shenseea because she replied to it on fair terms and by fair experience. But this is more for her younger fans. I mean, know say a whole heap of younger fans listen to Dancehall IG on YouTube specifically, so this I gonna benefit Uno where have problem with online learning or online classes, right? So somebody did ask her about that and she replied to that one in video also, so I go play the video for you so you can hear what she said, and then after that me I go tell another one about her father. So the question is, what advice do you give to students doing online class and will be sitting CSEC soon? And this was her response.
I would tell the kids doing online class that you are smart and you are capable. Regardless of how challenging it has been, you know, doing online classes, getting irritated easily, you know, having not much patience, that you can still pass. I remember in high school, I didn't go a class and I got that syllabus. Nevertheless, I studied and I passed my CSEC. Yep, with a 2. I'm really that much of an autodidact, no lie. So yeah, it's challenging, but you can still do it. You're smarter than you think.
Yes, so when I hear that, that's straight from the Shenyang boss herself. She are telling us how strong and you can do it. And parents, if you're not listening, I want to know, say, when the kids them kind of have doubt when it comes to the online platforms and learning, you know what I mean, over the internet. People, when you just have to just, you know what I mean, try to give them the courage what them need and try to show them the way. Because it's possible. For me, you know what I mean, here talking over the internet and it's reaching to you, it's the same kind of concept. I believe, you know what I mean, this is just merely my opinion, but I believe it's possible. It's not easy. It takes some conditioning because, you know, we're used to going to school, sit in the classroom and listen to the teacher. But, you know, it's possible. We know there's a lot of challenges. There is bad internet. There is, you know what I mean, data problems, all kind of problems. But it's possible. So them just need the encouragement. Now, people, let's talk about Shenseea father, because this is not a thing that comes up often. In any conversation about Shenseea, we know about her mom. Rest in peace to her mom. You see me? But people are ask her, them brave enough to ask her, and she didn't shy away from it. She did actually clear up and she answered. So that one in a text though, and she highlight a part of it. So let's read the actual question and then read what she reply say. All right. So the actual question is, where is your father? Question sign with the cringe emoji, like them I say, shit, I'm nervous. I wonder if she got answer, she got take offense to it. But she didn't. This is what she said, and she put this in colored ink, and she said, let me just clear this up for some bright and feisty people who make some nasty remarks I've seen in the past. And then in a regular white ink now, she said, I never met my father. I heard he had to leave JA for a job while my mother was 6 months pregnant. My family ended up moving from St. Elizabeth to Kingston. Did he come back to JA? I don't know. Is he dead? I don't know. Did they have a good relationship? From what I heard from her, yes. So, me did say in colored ink and white ink, but I'm pretty sure I understand what I mean. White text and colored text, right? But people from what she say, she basically don't know her father her whole life. And she never know if, you know what I mean, her father had a good relationship with her mother, like from photos or anything. She said from what her mom said. And me can relate to that one, and not in a sense that me don't know my father. I know my father, but my mom never know her dad. Up till to the day, she never meet him. She don't know who him be. But my mother does not care. From the moment me know my mother tell me that, my mother says she don't even care for meet him and know who. She just go on with life and go through with whatever circumstances she get. And it's same with Shenseea. Shenseea not knowing her father never stop her from becoming the megastar she is, and depend her way to come even more greater. So, you know what I mean? And then thing there, you just given the circumstances and you just work with them. I mean, I don't know if anybody else will listen, you know what I mean, have similar situation or anything like that, but people are so life go sometimes. Some people know them father and them father pass on and them just have to live in the world with them mother alone. Some people lose their mother and father, like no Shenseea, you know what I mean, she in the world by herself and she just now make that be a problem. She just look out for Raj, you see me? No Raj, good. You see me, people? So, you know what I mean? Anybody can relate to tell me down in the comment section as well, right? So, in closing, I want to big up the Shenyang them will ask them question here. There was plenty other question. What's her pet peeve and all them other thing? Them. I just feel like, you know what I mean, just pick out them one here because them one here, you know what I mean, kind of impactful in her answer and in the question itself. You know what I mean? No, this is on her story, so you might not see them on her page. You see me? But anytime she do this again or she go live, more for ask you, no keep a question in mind. What would you ask Shenseea if you had the chance to ask her anything? You see what I mean? Say? So you just go and put that down in the comment section and you just go and keep it on the mind. That means when she go live or when she do this again and you see it, you have a chance for ask the question. You already know where you would have asked her. Other than that, people, thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you already subscribe or you just subscribe, thank you. You know what I mean? Welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.